Hi audience, how are you? Today we are going to do first exercise to start generating type speed. As a starter, you will need to complete typing out the paragraph in 1 minute. Total words are 25. You have to type out in 1 minute to generate speed of 25 words per minute. Before you start, look out the time clock on bottom right. As soon as the minutes section of time changes, start and close as soon as 1 minute duration is completed. You can even use your watch if it shows seconds motion as well, as in this way you can determine exact minute and seconds time. I will show you how to do that. I have typed out exercise and left one line space in between to type each line of the exercise. This is the best way. So let us start now. Just look at the bottom right and then start the exercise. It is done. I hope it will be good for you. See you in next lesson.